I'm going to do homework B, number 9, and we're trying to convert 7,350 meters per second into miles per hour. So in order to do that, I'm going to look at the conversion sheet, and I'm going to use the conversion fact that 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers. So we'll start with 7,350 meters per second. I'm going to get the meters gone and make them into kilometers, and I know that it takes 1,000 meters to make 1 kilometer. I'm then going to reduce out the kilometers so that I end up with miles, and it takes 1 mile to make 1.6 kilometers. So now I've got the miles part of the problem. Now I'm going to work on time. I need to reduce out the seconds, so I'm going to make those minutes. 60 seconds is in 1 minute. And then I'm going to reduce out the minutes and make those hours. So 60 minutes in 1 hour. Reduce your units to make sure the problem is coming out the way you want it. So meters over meters is 1, kilometers over kilometers is 1. I've got seconds and seconds. I've got minutes and minutes. And I end up with, in the numerator, miles, and in the denominator, hours. When you multiply all the numbers in the numerator and divide by the denominator, the final answer is 16,537.5 miles per hour.